Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Mode Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Mzansi comes for Kelvin Momo's new girlfriend, Manasseh Kali kesana lapha kuma social media platforms. Very hard kesana. We didn't know about the girl until Kelvin Momo posted their pictures together. Ngilasadi khona ngokuthi so yena naye phela umuntu wakhe babalwa they broke up ke sana babala and Kelvin Momo started dating years back, and beloku bakhipha ama-hits lashisa ngendlela lesimanga and abantu babathanza ngendlela lesimanga. Sikufihli ke kusho ukuthi le couple lena beyithandzana and beyifanelana ngendlela lesimanga together njena bebayi-ghost ke sana emculweni emusicini ke sana batihambela njena bodwane. Now that ubaba and Kelvin Momo, they are done, people are coming for Kelvin Momo's new girlfriend. Sana abantu njena bathi makapost ama-pictures ke laphana kuma-social media platforms bakhomente kokuthi awugele ungqolile, yogele uhlukanisa uKelvin Momo and ubabala, yogele we hope you know how to sing because thina sifuna ama-hits, yogele awuswabi. Guys, when they know Manasseh when they know girl, because the girl doesn't know anything. We don't even know ukuthi ubabalwa and Kelvin broke up before kufika Manasseh empilweni ya Kelvin. We don't know because they were quiet about their relationship, and they were quiet ngokuthi bahlukene. We only started knowing ukuthi they broke up ngalesikhathi Kelvin Momo posted ugirl lomusha, and people are really coming for ugirl so hard, and I'm like, why? We've seen my couple ahlukana, guys, bana bashadile bahlukana. Kelvin Momo and ubabala were not married, they were just dating, and people now think ukuthi vele bekungameli bahlukane just because bona bakhipha ama-hits. What about injabulo? Nithini ngenjabulo? What if bebangasekho happy together? And sengibobani thina ukuthi sibojaja, sengibobani thina ukuthi sekufuneka sidrage ugirl lomusha yalo ukuthi ubaqabanisile. We don't know ukuthi ubaqabanisile, like we don't know. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.